Hello everyone, we are back with another good question. Let's take a quick look at our question. While solving complex operation like this, we must pay attention to order operation to avoid errors. We code the order operation as PEMDAS. P stands for parentheses, S stands for exponent, M stands for multiplication, D stands for division, S stands for addition, S stands for subtraction. We have one more feature here. There is no order multiplication and division operation are performed from left to right. Similarly, addition and subtraction, no order, operation are performed from left to right. Let's add the visual to our equation. This fraction bar, division. The upper part of the fraction is done first. Here we have division and multiplication. The division on the left is done first. 8 divided 2 equals 4. Now multiplication. 4 times 4 equals 16. Finally division. 16 divided 2 equals 8. We solved the solution in detail. I hope you understand. We've reached the end of our video. Solve the question on the screen. Write your answer in the comments section. Let's see who gets the correct answer. You can subscribe for new videos by clicking the logo on the screen. You can also check out my other videos in the sections on the sidebar. See you in the next video.